Hi, it's Drew from ALZO Video. And if you shoot video with a DSLR, then you need these cords. These unique cords are designed specifically for connecting an HDMI monitor and stereo audio mixer to a DSLR. Well, you may be wondering, why special cords? Well, there's two very good reasons. First, these cords are short, and they're the perfect length for all DSLR video rigs. And second, these cords have right-angle camera connectors, making for improved rig construction as the cords exit the camera facing up. And not only are these HDMI cords right angle, but they include a very important connector offset. This offset allows the unobstructed camera connections in a typical, very tight DSLR connector layout. Let's look at a typical DSLR rig with an HDMI monitor and audio mixer. Here we have a Canon 5D Mark III with a Juice Link mixer and a 7-inch LCD monitor connected by an ALZO Canon cord set. Notice how the ALZO cords fit with minimal excess. The HDMI cord is 21 inches long, and this length allows the monitor to be located to the extreme right of the camera or forward of the camera, like on this rig. The stereo audio cord is a little shorter at 18 inches, and it's constructed with a siliconized rubber jacket for super flexibility and long life. Eliminating excess cord length reduces cord draping and the risk of accidentally hooking dangling wires. If you use a shoulder mount rig with a monitor like this one, then the ALZO cords are essential for short, tidy connections. Another advantage of using right-angle cords is that they are much less likely to disconnect while filming, as tension on the cords does not affect the physical connection. Also, all of the connectors on these ALZO cords are gold-plated for super low noise and always reliable connections. I recommend that you pick up a set of these cords just to take advantage of the low noise gold contacts. We have two different HDMI cords. One is labeled red and the other white. The difference is the facing direction of the mini-HDMI camera connector. This difference accommodates different DSLR cameras, which have different facing connectors. In addition, this two-cord solution allows for either up or down cord dressing. For example, this Canon 5D Mark II has a rear-facing connector and accepts a white cord for vertical cord dressing. If you use the red one, the cord would face down like this. In addition to our complete 3-cord set, we sell camera-specific 2-cord sets for vertical cord dress. So here's the wrap-up. It's simple. If you shoot video with a DSLR video rig, you need these excellent short cords from ALZO Video.